If you watched a recent video of mine called 3 Old Idiots with Drones, then you'll see that I had a massive accident with my Insta 360 X4. And then we're going to bring the drones back in. We'll have full visual line of sight at all times because all of the drones are equipped with strobes, and we can see these out to 5 kilometres with these strobes. So there's nothing to worry about there. So that's it. Oh no! Oh, for f***'s sake! So the first thing I did was check my insurance. All my equipment's insured and I thought I'll be fine. The excess that I had chosen when I took out my insurance was £150. I thought that was fairly reasonable. It kept the premium down, and £150 isn't too much to pay if you're getting a repair for something that's in the region of £1,000. So I thought, right, I'll get it repaired. If worst comes to worst, it'll cost me £150 excess on my insurance to get it repaired. So I contacted Insta 360 Service Centre and I explained what had happened to them, uploaded a picture of the damage, which was a completely cracked screen. Not cracked, smashed. The screen was smashed. Now the camera was still usable because you can connect your Insta 360 to your phone and use the phone as a screen, so it was still usable, but I wanted the screen repaired. So I sent the picture, I sent the details off explaining how the damage had occurred to Insta 360, and they sent me a work number, asked me to ship it into them, and they would inspect it and give me a quotation for the repair. So I did all that, sent it off on the 6th of January. They received it on the 8th of January and started to inspect it. On the 13th of January, which is five days later, long COVID has had an incredible effect on my ability to count. I'm still fairly literate and fairly eloquent, I think, but my ability to count even simple numbers is completely gone. So 5 days, did I say? Yeah, I think 5 days later, I received an email saying that the product had been shipped, but that reminds me, the day before, they sent me through an estimate or a quote for the repair, and the quote was for £76.50, half of the excess that it would have cost me to claim my insurance. So I thought, fair enough, £76.50, it's a chunk of change, but it gets me a repaired X4. So I paid it and expected them to go ahead with the repair and send it out to me. But that's not quite what happened. A day later, I received an email saying that we're pleased to inform you that your product with work order number blah de blah has been shipped. Please find the detailed deliveries below. 2 days later, today, on the 15th, I think this is the 15th, 16th, 15th, it arrived. What arrived? Not my repaired Insta 360 X4, but a brand new Insta 360 X4. How do I know it's brand new? It's a completely different serial number. I had to re-register it. I had to redo all the things that you have to do when you first set it all up. And it's a different serial number. So I think that's pretty good service from Insta. I'm very happy with it. It didn't take long. It was very, very simple. Couple of clicks and clocks on the keyboard. The only thing that may have been slightly difficult, and it wasn't, was they asked me to upload a picture of the damage, which I did. I just put my phone down, put the camera down, took a picture of it with my phone and uploaded it straight to their site. So that's it. So just a little story of how my interaction has gone with Insta. I'm very, very pleased with it. I'm not pleased at having to pay out £76.50, but it was my fault. I'm the idiot, and it's a small price to pay for a learning experience. So give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and cheerio the new.